Me and my dad, the way me and him would communicate, just as kind of little chit chat would be sending Craigslist ads to each other of old cars or fun projects that would be out there. My dad's actually the one that found the truck, and he found it when he was over in Russia. And this is one that he had sent me, and it looked pretty interesting, and so I told him I'd go take a look at it. The body and paint was okay looking from what it was, and so our original plan was just gonna put a front clip under it and a small block in it and just cruise it, just have a nice little runaround driver. I was at a car show and I saw the throttle bodies that are on it that kind of replicate the old Weber 48 IDAs. I really wanted to run those on it because I just thought they were really cool looking, but I found out that they don't make a manifold that would bolt those throttle bodies to that motor. So I decided that I would just build my own manifold from a solid block of aluminum. And so that kind of set the pace for the whole build. From there, it kind of snowballed to both doors got completely reskinned. Both steps going into the cabs have been replaced. Both cab corners, inner and outer cab corners, the lower 18 inches of the front fenders have been replaced. And then I just started kind of refining things, not necessarily changing the truck, but just making everything fit better. The biggest motivation for building the truck was my dad. He spent my entire childhood basically focusing his life on me and my brother. He always made himself second to me and him, and he did everything for us, sacrificed anything and everything that he could to give me and my brother, what we needed to have. So every weekend was completely dedicated to me and my brother and wrestling and taking us all over. He was my wrestling coach my entire life, and so this is just something that I was able to do for him to give back to him for everything that he had done for me. So when I was building the truck, I really tried to be conscious of building it to a new car standard. Everything from the sound dampening to the way it's sealed up, replacing the felt rattle strips with actually a rubber squeegee seal, to a vibration dampener and like a mass-loaded vinyl material that kills airborne noise. So the truck's just extremely quiet, solid, and that combined with the suspension, it's like a new car that looks old. To have Griot choose the truck to be on the handbook, I'm very honored to have it as a cover vehicle. It's something as a kid that you always kind of dream of when you look at magazines and whatnot. You wonder where those cars come from. And I guess it's really cool to be associated with a company of that caliber too.